In this video, let's learn how to change profile picture on Signal Private Messenger. If you want to change the existing profile picture that you have added in on your Signal Messenger, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can change it. Now before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell if you want more daily videos similar to this. With that said, let's get right in. Open up your Signal app and just tap on your profile picture or the profile icon on the top left. From here you'll land on the settings page where you can manage all of the settings for your private messenger of Signal. You just need to tap on your name on the top, and inside of your profile you can see your name, your about info and the badges. Now to change your photo or your profile picture, tap on edit photo. Now here you can do a couple of things. Either you can choose from these given pictures. So if you just tap on any one of them, the picture will be immediately changed. Or if you don't want that, you can also tap on the photo option and choose pictures from your gallery on your device. Or you can also tap on text and type in custom text as your profile picture. From here you can also change in the background and tap on done on the bottom right. And lastly, if you want to completely remove your profile picture, you can also do that by tapping on the cross on the top right. This way the profile picture will be completely removed. And this letter will only show, which is the first initials of your name. Once you have added in or changed your profile picture, you can just tap on save on the bottom right. And your profile picture on Signal Private Messenger will be immediately changed. So that was the video on changing profile picture on Signal. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.